This is a 2002 Toyota Vitz. We're going to take the right hand rear door card off. You're just going to need a Phillips screwdriver and a pry tool, a plastic pry tool. So there's a Phillips screw in the handle, the grab handle here. There's a Phillips screw here. So we'll take that one out. Which comes out one of two. Second one down in here. It's just down there like that, and that comes out. You'll grab our pry tool, stick it in the bottom here. Just find a little access. Start the thing. This should be quite easy. It's about one every few hundred millimeters. And then at the back, it should just start popping off. You can unclip them with your hand. On this side. The door card just comes away. And then push up. Might be a bit sticky because of these rubbers. They might stick to the window. Just roll your hand along them. And it pops away like that. And then just the window winder, window button. Just unplugs and the whole card comes away. Just plug that back in. Should hear it snap. Just go over the lock and it should slide down. And then these will all just clip back in. And just put this in. And the screw. And replace the door handle screw. You just get your pry tool under here and pull the rubber up. It's a little bit tricky, but